aumenta.
Fuerte, ve, está lloviendo, mira, ve, está lloviendo. Está lloviendo, pues, está lloviendo, ve. Está Mario. He lavado mi ropa, no ha secado. No te voy a poder ver. Ya, mañana te llamo, mañana te llamo.
In December 2024, Pucallpa, the capital of the Ucayali region in eastern Peru, experienced significant flooding due to heavy rainfall. On December the 16th, reports indicated that major roads and institutions were submerged, leading to accidents and disruptions in daily life.
Mátale, ahí está, cuídate, pica. Ay. ¿Él ha muerto? Ay, dale, man. Ay, está vivo todavía.
The Ucayali River, which flows through Pucallpa, has a history of fluctuating levels that can lead to flooding. Extreme floods in the northern Amazon have been linked to negative impacts on human health, safety, and food security. December is typically a wet month in Pucallpa, with average temperatures ranging between 22 degrees C, 71 degrees F, and 32 degrees C, 89 degrees F. Rainfall is expected for roughly half of the month, with precipitation amounts between 200 to 380 millimeters, 8 to 15 inches. The December 2024 floods in Pucallpa highlight the challenges faced by the region due to seasonal heavy rains and the need for effective flood management strategies to mitigate the impact on the local population.